Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is, I believe, a winnings from Cornflower Crafts. I call her Sweet Cornflower, so yay! I won, you guys, and definitely when I needed it. And I just opened Rose's package up, and I did receive 3 packages today, and I'm going to open them up in the order received. And I really needed this, you guys. You guys sent this at the right time, the right day, the right moment, so it was meant to be, and I thank you very much. So let's get into this. My Sweet Cornflower, let's see what she sent. I think it's my winnings. Let's see here. Woohoo! What is it? Oh my god, yes, my winnings! She painted this bird right here. I'm not gonna say which bird it is because I will definitely say the wrong one. She did a really good job. Oh my goodness, the camera is not picking up what she did here. Look at that white. I'm bringing it closer. Let's see here this way. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. I love this. This is a really nice card. Thank you so much. I don't even want to open it. I just want to keep it just like this as a collector's item. Okay, thank you so much. This is what I won, you guys. I was so happy when I won. And it is a tropical theme, and she said in her comments, what do you like about tropical themed? And I said Hawaii, because me and my family, we love the Hawaii culture, and tropical reminds me of that. So this bag is so cute. Look at this. Stand tall and stand out. The only thing I don't like to do is stand out. I don't like to put myself in the spotlight, but I'm going to use that anyway. I'm going to go grocery shopping, and my groceries are going to go in there, and I'm going to stand out for you, Corn. So I got that. I'm going to put this to the side so we could see a little bit of it right there. Yeah. Okay, so I got that. Thank you so much. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, I'm so happy I opened Rose's package up, because it just brought my spirits up. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, look at this. Look at this trim. It's just a very hot pink roses trim, and it's going to push me to go to Hawaii through paper crafting. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I love this bag. Look at this bag. This is such a cute little bag. I love it. Look how colorful it is. Oh, you guys have to see how she packaged this. Look how nice and neat Sweet Cornflower has packaged this. Wow, let's see here. What's in here? Ooh. Let's be adventurous. What is in here? Got some trim or some ribbon. Let's see here. And they are tropical themed also, because this is a tropical theme winnings. And look how pretty that is. That is really pretty. I love these flamingos. Definitely. Ooh, you know what I'm doing? I am doing a memory dex for Midge's Mountain Crafts, and guess what it's going to be? Tropical. You guys guessed it. Let's see what's in here. Look at this cute little tag that she made like an envelope, and it has.
I'm messing it up here. Okay, calm down, Veronica. Calm down.
Okay, we got a little tiny sticker with a little happy face and 2 tags. I love the flamingo again. And it just slides right in. Look how detailed she is. She really put some time into this. Look at this. Thank you, Sweet Cornflower. Look, a look at that flamingo. You did a really nice job here. Next is green. What's in the green one? Ooh, napkins. Yes, I've been wanting to do the Mod Podge with napkins. And this is definitely gonna look nice as a background on a memory decks, along with those stickers that are in here. Yes, yes. Thank you so much for these winnings. Next, ooh, we got some table scatter. This is the Target ones, right? And then she just decorated the top really nice with these flamingos. This table scatter, all that gold, beautiful. I want to open this one last because that one is a pineapple bag, and I love pineapples. Everything that goes together. We have a planner booklet and some sticky notes. Oh, these ones have stickers too. Okay, so planner, sticker, booklet. I get it. Okay, I get it. But you know what? I'm definitely going to use this for planner, but also for my embellishments. That's fun. Look at this little chick. So cute. And look at this. It's like a doily tissue. This is pretty. I don't even want to rip it. Pretty these are. I gotta open these because these ones are pretty. Look at that. Those are some pretty stickers, and they're on like a really thick card. I love these. She doesn't even have to do her hidden giveaways, but she does so many. You guys go check out Cornflower Crafts. She has so much content on her channel, and she is the sweetest person. You guys will love her. Adventure. This reminds me of the Pixar movie Up. Adventures out there. I'm opening this. Let's see what's in here. I love how you did this little, make sure I didn't forget anything. This little envelope is a pretty paper, and look at the edges. She punched those out with the punch. And then, okay, these are just like kind of like vintage tropical themed cards. I love these. Look at this. Really pretty. Paradise Calls. Adventures out there. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. I like that. I see like a collage. Definitely going to Hawaii through paper crafting. And so that's what she says. She says, I want you to put, you're going to Hawaii through paper crafting in the comments. So I did. She's so fun too. You guys have to check her out. She's the sweetest. I love her. Okay, let's see what's in this blue one. Ooh, did I just miss something? Oh, something fell out. Okay, we have a little loaded bag. Look how she decorated this, and it is a watermelon. Oh, it makes me want to have watermelon right now. And then she has a little tiny envelope with some removable dot. And let's see what's in here. This is so fun. I'm gonna sit down. I'm standing up. I don't know why I'm standing up. I always have to stand up in my videos just in case. Okay, I hope you guys, I can't see the view anymore, so let's hope you guys can see me. Okay, so these are more of those cards that were in the last one, and I love this. Always find the time for things that make you feel happy. Exactly, and that's why I'm opening this up now in the time where I need to be happy. And a pineapple. This is pretty, really pretty. And this little sunglasses, I forgot the word, I don't know why. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. They're little flip-flops. I love these. And the sunglasses too. Oh, look how she did this. She put a little paper clip right here, and it's holding this this tag right here. Isn't that cute? These are the days, exactly. These are the days. We have to remember that, you guys. And I'm just glad I got this package. Bring my spirits up. Okay, we got some ephemera here, die cuts. And they're palm leaves and some pineapples, which I love pineapple. I definitely have to take my own advice. I was telling Crystal, cruising with Crystal, she needs to buy a lottery ticket because she's been winning so many winnings, and then out of nowhere I just start winning all kinds of winnings. I won like 4 already. So Crystal, you gave me all your luck, girl. I'm gonna go buy a lottery ticket. And then okay, so these are stamps. Look how pretty these stamps are. I like how you can build the flamingo up. You can have, you know, like the black border, and then have a different color in the inside with this stamp, and then the different legs, and then you can cut it out also. This is cute. I like this, and I love this flamingo on the top. Very pretty, very cute, and the presentation is so adorable. Corn, how'd you do that? Look at this, how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty, and there's more, you guys. This was like a huge winnings. Pink, pink, pink. Corn, you really outdid yourself. Look at how she did this. This is so pretty. Look, I don't even want to mess it up. Okay, so she included these, oh, look at this. A little pineapple pick. This is so cute. And then right here we have these miniature envelopes. How cute are those? Sunshine happiness. Yes, I need sunshine happiness right now. Now let's see what's in here in the sunshine happiness. Ooh, look at it. She put some more die cuts in here. Look how cute these are. We got the hibiscus flower. I'm saying it wrong, I know. An orange, a pineapple, and some sunglasses. So, and then we have, oh, this is a cute paper, the flamingo. And then with the watermelon. Let's see. Dun, 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 what's in here? Okay.